Eugenics was a term first used by Sir Francis Galton, who also happens to be the half-cousin of Charles Darwin. You know, the scientist who developed the theory of evolution? Yep, that guy. Well, Galton used the term in his 1883 book Inquiries into Human Faculties and Its Development. His book played an important part in British eugenics since it influenced the creation of the Eugenics Education Society in 1907, which was later renamed to the Eugenics Society. At its peak, the Eugenics Society had about 1,700 members. Although it was small in numbers, some of its members were highly influential. The Eugenics Society included knights, distinguished scientists, powerful senior professors, and many more. However, it is still considered as a predominantly educated middle class movement by historians to this day. The goal of the society was to improve the lives of the inferiors, those deemed to have unwanted hereditary failings. Now, they wanted to achieve their goal not by policy making, but rather by sparkling debates on controversial matters such as human heredity, social reforms, and Malthusianism. One of the rare occasions the Eugenics Society actually influenced the creation of a policy was in 1913, when the British government passed the Mental Deficiency Act, following campaigns of sensitization by the Eugenics Society. British eugenics also believed there were two methods to improve the quality of the population. The first method was by promoting positive eugenics, which is known as the encouragement of marriage and reproduction of fit people, or by promoting negative eugenics, which was most popular at the time. In negative eugenics, you promote the prevention of unfit people from reproducing in order to not affect the future generation. Some of the methods included birth control, sterilization, and segregation, to name a few. However, the Eugenics Society underwent some changes during the 1930s after it received criticism from some of its members for their extremist interpretation of social problems. This sparked a switch from mainline eugenics to reform eugenics. The mastermind behind this change was Carlos Blacker, who was the General Secretary of the Eugenics Society from 1931 to 1952. Reform eugenics separated itself from mainline eugenics by being more prudent when it came to making overgeneralizing statements on social